Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and welcome to our YouTube channel TNB Academy. In today's session, we are going to explore why ISO 37151 is crucial for smart infrastructure. Across the world, cities and regions are undergoing rapid urbanization and technological transformation. As this shift takes place, the need for smarter, more efficient and more sustainable infrastructure becomes increasingly urgent. Smart infrastructure isn't just about technology. It is about systems that improve quality of life, enhance efficiency and reduce environmental impact. And that is where ISO 37151 plays a game-changing role. What is ISO 37151? ISO 37151 is an international standard that provides a framework for evaluating the performance of smart community infrastructures, officially titled Smart Community Infrastructures Performance Metrics. It sets out key indicators and methodologies to assess how well infrastructure meets the needs of society. This standard enables the stakeholders to measure the effectiveness of infrastructures like transport, energy, water, waste, and ICT in supporting a smart and sustainable community. Scope of ISO 37151. The scope of ISO 37151 covers energy infrastructure, water and wastewater systems, transportation and mobility, information and communication technology, waste management, disaster risk reduction systems. Each of these areas is critical to building communities that are responsive, inclusive, and technologically integrated. Core values promoted by ISO 37151. ISO 37151 supports the following core values. Accessibility, ensuring all people can access services, safety and security, creating secure environments for people and assets. Efficiency, maximizing the utility of infrastructure. Resilience, ensuring systems can withstand disasters or disruptions. Environmental preservation, reducing carbon footprint and resource consumption. Smart infrastructure and sustainability. In today's era, any infrastructure planning that doesn't consider sustainability is incomplete. ISO 37151 embeds sustainability into performance metrics, ensuring that the ecological footprint is minimized while delivering maximum social value. For example, when assessing an energy system, the standard doesn't just look at energy output but also emissions, reliability, and public health impacts. Challenges in implementing ISO 37151. While the benefits are many, implementation comes with challenges. Data collection requires reliable data sources which are not always available. Stakeholder alignment. Aligning interests of public, private, and citizen groups is often complex. Initial cost. Adapting to new metrics may involve cost in trainings and systems. Contextual customization. Every city is different, so universal metrics need careful localization. However, these are not insurmountable and can be overcome with a long-term vision and strategic planning. Steps for adopting ISO 37151 in your infrastructure project. Understand the standard. Pair your team on the core concepts of ISO 37151. Identify metrics. Choose relevant performance indicators for your sector. Collect baseline data. Establish where your infrastructure currently stands. Plan improvements. Use the data to develop action plans. Monitor progress. Continuously track and report our outcomes. Review and revise. Improve based on periodic reviews and stakeholder feedback. The future of smart infrastructure with ISO 37151. As we look to the future, ISO 37151 will become even more important. With increasing use of IoT, AI, and digital twins in infrastructure, having standardized metrics will ensure interoperability and efficiency. From climate resilient urban design to real-time public safety systems, ISO 37151 will be the foundation of how infrastructure evolves in the 21st century. ISO 37151 is not just another standard. It is a strategic tool to ensure that the smart infrastructure we build is not only intelligent but also responsible, sustainable, and human-centered. Whether you are a policymaker, engineer, urban planner, or investor, adopting ISO 37151 means committing to building infrastructure that truly works for people and the planet. Thank you for watching this detailed session. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNB Academy for more in-depth content on ISO standards and sustainable development. I will see you in the next session of TNB Academy.